Hey guys, it's Selene and welcome to my channel. So since the last video that I uploaded on my channel, Starbucks had an early release date of their pumpkin spice latte. So a lot of you were like, yes, thank you. This is what I needed to uplift my spirit in this messed up year that we've had. And then some of you were like, hold on, no. All right, this is too quick. You're rushing my summer. Well, I'm a pumpkin spice fan, and yes, I was very excited. This is definitely what I needed, and I just love fall flavors, period. So with that being said, we will be making a pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. Unlike my other cookies, this is different. It's more soft, type of melt in your mouth type of cookie. I didn't want to dive too crazy and give you the pumpkin pies right away because I do feel that it's a little soon for that, but this is more of like a Scooby Snack. It gives you just enough of pumpkin flavor, but then it has the chocolate chips, so it's gonna slowly ease you into the fall flavors. But I'm already in spirit. I have my Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pie shirt. Shout out to Bloomin' MERAKI. If you would like a shirt, make sure to check her out. I will leave the link in the comments below. So let's go over the ingredients and we can begin. So a quick little trick that I would like to share with you guys, well, I guess more so of a preference. What I do when I pull the cookies out the oven, I mean, don't get me wrong, I will eat some, a few, you know, but when they come out, when they're warm, but I actually like them the next day. So once the cookies are cooled completely, I will put them in a Ziploc bag and just let them chill at room temperature. The next day, I like it because it preserves that moisture and then the spices and the flavors have settled in. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you do end up making them, make sure you tag me on to your social media, especially Instagram, Sweets by Selene, and let me know how it went. Or you can also comment. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I have many more fall recipes coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel.